Okay, video 5 or 6 of this Mercedes for checking for refrigerant leak and the condition of the system with only 60 some thousand miles on it. So I went over the entire system with a stagnant pressure of refrigerant in it under first fill, and it came in nearly empty at 29 psi. Then after firing up, running it, proving that the thermal switch, the pressure switch for the receiver dryer operates, kicks on the relay engages, contacts close, throws power down to the fan engages and turns and rotates at a specific pressure. That all works. So I know this car is not driving off with the secondary fan not working. So now I'm looking for the leaks under the dash, letting the system sit for a while, and then I'll go through a series of just barely turning on the system. And what that will do is when you engage the fan with a little bit of power and then turn it right off, it starts the rotation of the fan, but it doesn't power it up, so it takes in a lot of fresh air, passes it past your suspected leak point in the evaporator coil, dilutes the air down with this mass of air with a small ratio of refrigerant in it, and then you will never pick it up. So what you do is you let it sit 10-15 minutes, come back, kick the system on just a little bit so you can hear that fan just start to engage, and then immediately kick it back off. And what that will do is it'll rotate the fan a few revolutions, just a pulse, a little pulse of air, a flow of air to push past the evaporator where you might suspect a leak. It'll come out the vents, and your leak detectors will pick it up as a concentrated refrigerant instead of a diluted refrigerant to air ratio, because you don't have a mass of air shooting it past so fast your leak detectors never pick it up, and then after that it's just all diluted out. This is one of those little secrets probably didn't pick up in auto shop when you were taking high school air conditioning in auto shop, and you probably didn't get that in any of the automotive magazines either. So that's it. I think I'm wrapping it up on this one. I'm going to take all my pressure sensor readings, and we got a ambulance going by, and take my readings, of course using all the field piece with the field piece app, and it gets recorded, documented, and goes into the invoice for the customer. See you guys on the next one.